Good morning, everybody. It's omelet day today. We don't really have an omelet day, but we're having omelets today. Now you can make omelets any way you want to, even if you just use eggs and cheese or eggs and peppers. We're going to use peppers, onions, cheese, and a little bit of this ham steak. This is a fully cooked ham steak. We're just going to slice it into really small pieces, and we are going to fry it up in the pan just a little bit. That way when we put it into the omelet, it won't be cold. Put a lot of stuff in it like this, you can prep this stuff the night before. That way in the morning you already have it ready to go. Okay, so I'm putting some butter into this pan. This is the one we're going to cook the peppers and onions in and the ham. Okay, while this butter's melting, I'm going to shred up some cheese real quick. We are having the worst time around here. I think I might have heard Mandy. Yeah, I heard Mandy from Mandy in the Making talking about it too on one of her videos a while back. Stink bugs. They are awful this year. I don't know why. Like, this is seriously the first time I've even really seen them like this, you know. I mean, I've probably seen a few throughout the years, but this is like, it's crazy. They are everywhere. And they're trying to get in people's houses, and if you mess with them, they let you know why they're called a stink bug. Like, even if you just try to catch them to put them out of your house, they will release their odors. Okay, let me put my peppers and onions in here. I guess what we're making would be what you call kind of like Western omelets, but a little different. I don't know, let's call it a farmhouse omelet. We'll chop up just a little bit of this spinach. Okay, adding the ham in over here. I think we have another double yolk here. I don't know, we'll see. It might just be a big egg. So I'm gonna crack them all into this bowl. Let me turn my ham and stuff off. Nope, just a big one. Probably just Titus, Jacob, and Jonah will want an omelet. The rest of them will want scrambled eggs. And now for the secret to fluffy omelets. You add in a little bit of milk or cream. We're adding in just a little bit of cream. Mix that all together. Now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. We're going to start melting this butter in the back, and we just have it on a little over medium. Alright, that's ready. Now we're just going to take about a cup, maybe a little less than a cup of the egg mixture. Now some people do the double, like they'll fold it halfway to this way and then halfway to this way. And then some people just fold it over one time. That's how I normally do it, just one fold over. We'll do it both ways this morning. Okay, we're starting to get the bubbles. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. We'll put in some of the peppers and onions. And I'm going to do this one just the fold over. So I'm just putting it on this side. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of spinach, and a little more cheese. Now first, I just go along the edges, making sure we aren't having any sticking problems. And then we just get up under there and flip it over. Now I'll just let that sit for about 30 to 40 more seconds, and it's ready. Taking this one off. Now for the double fold one, or whatever people call it, I'm going to turn my pan down, way down, because you don't want it to be too hot, or right when you put your eggs in, it'll start cooking them and they'll get brown way too quick. Now right now I've got it turned down in between medium and low, because once you cook that first one, you can turn it way down and you'll still be fine. It's close to a cup of eggs, maybe 3/4 of a cup. We're going to go ahead and add the peppers and the onions, this time in the middle, since we're going to do the double fold thing. Okay, now we fold this way and fold this way. So we got those two made, and we still have enough of the egg mixture in here to make 2 more. It looks like, yeah, at least 2 more. Okay, y'all, it's a little while later now. The kids have started with their schoolwork. Manly's still sleeping. He sleeps late these days. Growth spurt. Anyway, I got the kids started with their schoolwork, got my coffee. Y'all know I have the iron mug. Hang on, I gotta wipe it off. Had a little accident. So even though it has a top, I like to drink it without the top. I just don't like the top on there. When I drink hot coffee, I like it without the top. Unless it's, you know, like a to-go cup, then I don't mind the top. But the little tops that go on these reusable cups, I just don't love them. So if you missed all my talks about the iron mug, it's the rechargeable coffee mug. It keeps your drink warm. You can set it at 135, 140, or 145 degrees. I like it hot, so I do the 145. And it's great, unless you accidentally spill it on yourself and it's still 145 degrees, which is what I did just a minute ago. So now I've gotta go change, and I just washed my hair last night and it got in my hair. That was hot, y'all. It was hot. Here we come, chickens. They were waiting on you. Are they coming after you? They trying to get you? Oh, Roosty, they're in a hurry this morning.
Okay, let's get the feed for them.
Yeah, we gotta get some feed for them. All right, he's got the feed cup. Feeding time, chickies. He has to make like 3 trips because he just gets a half scoop every time. Are you playing hide the feed again? He spreads it out for them in different little places. They always find it. Go put the rest in the feeder. Oh, we had some limbs fall. Good job.
Like there was a rotten egg.
Last one, there's a rotten egg. Guess I'm the rotten egg. Can you even? Lisa Frank cookies.
And there you
Can we get some dolphin ones? I really like the dolphin. That's my favorite Lisa Frank thing. I'm about to start supper, club sandwiches, and french fries. Tyler's going to switch out the propane tank on the Blackstone. So I'm going to cook the bacon and the country ham out there, and we'll toast the bread out there. So all I'm going to have to cook in here is the french fries. I'm bringing y'all all the fast meals this week. All the fast and quick and easy meals. Oh, y'all know what? I think I had some french fry oil up here. Yes, I did. I'll add it in here with this. I keep my french fry oil in these big jars. It's about to be smelling good out here, Manny. Do you like country ham?
I don't eat it.
You don't eat it?
No.
Do you eat bacon?
No.
It's a little bit windy out here. That is one thing about cooking on the Blackstone. If it's windy, you might not be able to cook on it because the wind is blowing up under your cooktop here.
And I see some stars.
Yeah, oh, you want to look through the telescope? Yeah, tell Jonah, he'll come show you how. This is the country ham that we're using. It's just premium sliced biscuit pieces. Oh, Blackstone, I'm so glad to have you back. My propane tank had been out for a long time. I see you. What are they?
Cookies.
Oh yeah, just seal. It might squish them if you vacuum. Now, club sandwiches is a very easy meal, quick to put together, but for some reason it always makes a big mess. Snap it clean, Jonah.